From the East Tennessee Weather Center, here's your morning weather update with meteorologist Mike Witcher.
And good morning. A shock to the system as we get our Tuesday started. Good morning. Grab the jackets. You'll need those this morning, and we're going to need those throughout the day today. We're actually talking about cooler temperatures than what we saw yesterday. Yesterday, we made it to 66 degrees in Knoxville, which was below average. 60 degrees in Crossville, also below average. Same with Chattanooga and Tri-Cities, all below average yesterday. And that trend, again, is going to continue as we get another reinforced shot of some cooler and drier air. And a little bit of moisture in the atmosphere as well. Temperatures this morning started off nearly 20 degrees colder than what we were yesterday morning. But there's a disturbance to our north that's going to pinwheel down through the area. And as it does so, it's going to bring us some cloud coverage. It's going to bring us some wind. And it's also going to bring us a couple of spotty showers. Best locations will be across the higher terrain of the plateau, southeastern Kentucky, and the Smoky Mountains. So increasing clouds, wind, and isolated showers. Tonight, snow showers in the valley. Light showers, I should say, in the valley. Snow showers developing in the mountains. But as we get into the upcoming weekend or headed into the weekend, a nice little gradual warming trend is on the way. So let's pick up our futurecast here at 7 o'clock this morning. Clouds have already started to fill out into the area. That's going to be the story. So kind of an overcast gray, chilly, raw kind of a day. By lunchtime, not much activity. As we get past the lunch hour, here comes our disturbance, and that's going to start to spark off a few scattered light showers around the area. And it won't be until about 7 o'clock here tonight that the colder air, 32 degrees or colder, starts to drift its way in aloft. And that's when we'll start to see some of those rain showers change over to snow showers across the higher terrain of East Tennessee. Not going to add up to a whole lot when it comes to rainfall, so don't anticipate a lot of rain. Upper East Tennessee probably has the best chance. The Southern Valley, less chance of seeing any sort of rainfall throughout the day today. But we started the morning off, I told you, about 20 degrees colder than what we were yesterday. We're currently in the 30s and the 40s to get the day started, but high temperatures about 10 degrees colder than what we had yesterday. So overcast, gray, and chilly with temperatures by lunchtime in the 50s, and our forecast highs will be in the upper 50s to low 60s. So it is going to be a much chillier day ahead of us today. 52 degrees by 6, down to 49 by 8 o'clock here tonight. So planning on doing an after-dinner walk? Well, you'll need the jackets for sure. Now let's take you through the overnight hours. Again, some spotty showers. Disturbance starts to come on through. We're going to get a little bit more snow developing overnight tonight across the highest peaks of the Smokies as that cold air comes racing on in. But as we get into tomorrow morning, well, not much activity left. Most of the energy is starting to slide its way off to our south and southeast. So we'll pick up a little bit more light rain across the area. You can see that enhancement across the mountains because we're going to have a northwesterly flow, and that forces the air to rise up over the mountains. So when we're talking snowfall, not a lot, but there is a chance for maybe some areas picking up about an inch of snow. And this is going to be above 4,000 feet and after 7 o'clock here tonight. But a little closer view in upper East Tennessee, all the way from Blount County up towards Mountain City, Carter and Unicoi counties could see some snow across the highest peaks of the Smokies. All right, temperature trend, though, we are going to stay chilly, and frost is likely to be developing as we get into our Wednesday, Thursday, and maybe again on Friday morning. High temperatures are going to stay well below average. Look at that average line. 73 is our average for this time of year. We're going to be in the upper 50s. Today and tomorrow. Low 60s Thursday. Nice little warming trend is on the way, and that's all associated with a ridge of high pressure that's going to be working its way on into the area. So our cold pocket of air moves its way on out, high pressure moves on in, and that's going to help to warm our temperatures back to those seasonal averages as we get into our Saturday, Sunday, and all next week, because the Climate Prediction Center is actually predicting the possibility of above average temperatures, and a strong possibility anyways, as we get closer to the end of the month and maybe even rounding out the month, we may be trending above average. So enjoy this pocket of cooler air. It's going to be warming up a little bit. We do have a little bit of light rain, so we've got a 20% chance here across East Tennessee throughout the day today, but then we're going to see zero chances all the way through the rest of the week into the weekend, which of course we need the rain, we need the moisture. We're still going to be trending below average, it looks like, towards the end of the month. So when you look at your 7-day forecast, we're going to stay on the chilly side all the way through Thursday. Friday, not bad. We're going to be in the mid to upper 60s. And then the weekend and the start of next week, temperatures climb into the low to mid and maybe a few pockets of upper 70s across the Southern Valley. So download the East Tennessee Weather app. Stay in the know with all the weather here locally, and it travels wherever you go across the country. It's a free app download, by the way. You get your daily forecast weather updates, 1 minute with Witcher, an amazing interactive radar giving you current, past, and future radar, and of course, current conditions, hourly forecasts, and 7 days, presented by yours truly. All right, again, it's a free app download. We'll see you back here at lunchtime. We'll have any updates. And of course, if you see any light rain, send us a photo. We'd love to share it with everybody else.